Oh, good afternoon. My name is Andrew Philip Jacobs and I'm the Communications Officer stroke tour guide at Kirstenbosch National Botanical Gardens. But we have plants that dates back in the dinosaur era. They call the cycads. And the cycad is your second oldest living fossils. In other words, they roamed with the dinosaurs. And then of course we also have one specific tree called the ginkgo biloba, and that is the oldest living fossil. What they have done is that they have concentrated on the South African plants. So South Africa has 24,000 different species of plants, but we can't do the 24,000. Only those that adapted extremely well to the conditions we have, we plant. Main components of what we call the fynbos flora is firstly ericus or heather, which has 800 different species. Then there's the proteus, almost 400, and then the restios. There's 300 different species of restios. Then the other thing that people might not know is the geophytes of the bulbs. And when we talk about geophytes of bulbs, we talk about gladioli and so on. We have 1400 different species of geophytes of bulbs, and the guys that come second is Chile. They have 261. The plants we have adapted extremely well to the conditions that we do have. And if they don't adapt extremely well, we can't plant them. We don't have time for pedicuring. And that is well, the reason for the separateness is that number one, they needed to showcase the three main components which we already mentioned. But then there's the peninsular gardens. In other words, just in the peninsula you would have found at least 2,500 different species of plants. And then there's the medicinal gardens. So many people don't know we still have 200,000 natural herbalists, and 153,000 households is dependent on your natural herbs. And then of course we have the garden of extinction. So the plants is either red, and as I said, extinct, declining because of the many things that we need to do, like housing, number one. So that is why we have these different areas in Kirstenbosch. You know, the plants really just adapted to the soil that we do have here. And we add some compost. But the plants that are growing here just really love the acidus soil that we do have. And that's the natural soil. So if you think of the geology, it's the sandstone, mudstone, and the granite bedrock stone. And of course, you will find that in all the soils that we have here at Kirstenbosch.